Let me know for the one time.
All I really want is you, baby. Fuck what they gotta say about me and you. All they gonna do is hate on me and you and tear it apart. Like I played the part. I be putting in work. You try to play them games. I'm playing chess. Now what's next? Lay you at some risk. R.I.P. if you ever fuck me over. Ain't no bad bitch coming over today. Fuck what they gotta say. They ain't feeling me. Cause they ain't great. Cause I'm getting great. Yeah, the beard is getting gray. And it's weird, baby. So beyond Joby got his flows. Yeah, he got that swag. They can't top your boy. But bitches top me. Fuck what they say about your boy. Your boy getting great. Kept you close to my heart. Just for you to tear it apart.